Your iPad is stuck on a black screen with that dreaded spinning wheel, and I've got the immediate fix to get you back into your device right now. This problem, the iPad stuck on black screen with spinning wheel, is usually a sign of a software hang or a failed update. If the initial forced restart doesn't clear the issue, it often means the operating system files are corrupted, which leads us directly to method 2, where we'll use a computer to restore your iPad's software. This process will essentially reinstall iPadOS, clearing out any bad code that's causing the boot loop. Once the restore is complete, your iPad will restart fresh like it was when you first got it, but don't worry, we'll cover how to recover your data afterward. If restoring directly doesn't work, the next step is to try updating the software through your computer, which can sometimes fix the problem without a full erase, so stick around for that. We'll cover everything from forcing a restart to a full system restore, and even checking your connection to ensure a smooth process.